A straight line here, and a wavy line on the bottom.
What if we skip a step and see what happens? You know what happens when we don't follow directions? Chaos. Total chaos.
Welcome to Art Lessons with the Dream Keepers.
Okay, team, what is your job, Happy Thoughts?
I spread joy and motivation.
And what about you, Hard Work?
I make sure things actually get done. And Bossy. Don't forget Bossy. Bossy brings out the greatness. And I bring out the sparkles.
Okay, you're both very important. We work together, and now we're going to get to the lesson.
Today we're going to draw a peanut butter cup. It's my favorite candy. When we need some help, we'll peek inside the Dream Keeper's book. There's always a little magic waiting in there. Are you ready?
Woohoo! Here we go! Yeah! Let's do this! Oh, boy!
Let's go! Let's get started with a straight line all the way down the middle of the page. Find the middle of that line and draw another line going across the other way.
Think first, then draw. Unless you like erasing a lot.
From here to here, find the middle and make a dot. And then from here to here. From here to here, find the middle and make a dot. And then do the same thing on this side. Make a short line right here. Then make your line come out here and curve down to this dot. And then do the same thing on this side. From here to here, find the middle and make a little line. Then between this dot and the bottom of the page, find the middle and make a little line. Erase this dot. From this little line, come straight out and then curve it up to this dot.
It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start.
On this side, the line will come up this way, because this candy has a bite taken out of it. I wish I could take a bite of candy, but I should probably wait till we're done with the lesson. From this dot, move this way just a little bit and make a line. From here, move up a little bit and make a line. From these two lines, come together and make a dot. Connect these two dots, then starting at this line, not the dot, but this little line, make the line come all the way out here and curve up to the dot. On this side, move in a little bit and make a little line. Next, find the middle of this line, move over to the side, and right under that line, make a dot. Connect these two dots.
Hard work shows up in every line you draw. Keep at it.
Just like we made a curved line up here, we're going to make another one down here. Connect the end of the curved lines. You can erase some of the extra straight lines here and here. Since this curved line is where somebody took a bite of our candy, we're going to trace over it with a wavy line.
Trust your imagination. It's got great ideas.
Then erase some of that curved line so we don't get mixed up. Now it's time to draw that yummy peanut butter filling. Draw a straight line here. And then, keeping that same distance from the edge, we're going to trace along that wavy line. A straight line here, and a wavy line on the bottom.
What if we skip a step and see what happens? You know what happens when we don't follow directions? Chaos. Total chaos.
Well, we certainly don't want that, so let's stay on track with the next step. Let's make some little circles on the inside for all that peanut buttery goodness. That looks good. Okay, all along this line, we're going to make a zigzag. So you'll start on the line and then go out and back, out and back. It should look like you're making a bunch of little triangles. And now along this edge, I need to make another zigzag. Start on the line and go up and down, up and down. Now, just like we trace this line along the inside of the wavy edge, we need to make a line that follows the zigzag edge. Everywhere that the zigzag is touching the line, you're going to move in and make a little dot all along that edge.
No halfway. Give it everything you've got.
In the middle of each triangle, make another dot. Okay, let's connect all of these dots. I thought this would be a fun idea to draw my favorite candy. But now it just feels like a lot of work.
Man, this really is a grind. Is it worth it? But isn't this your thing? You're the hard work guy.
Maybe the Dreamkeeper's book could help us here. Let's find the page where we're traveling through the swamp of discovery. This one. Things could get messy, especially in the swamp of discovery.
Whee! Yahoo!
It might even seem like too much trouble. Take time to care for your dream and celebrate the progress you've made.
Such a big star. Yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are.
Okay, I see. The Dreamkeepers are learning that they can celebrate with the little star as they go, not just when the journey is all finished. If we take the time to celebrate, that will help us see how all of this hard work is making a big difference, and that we're getting closer to achieving our goal.
Okay, yeah. Time to bring the fun. I can totally do this part. Thank you. Now that's teamwork. Back to the art. Let's celebrate.
Yeah, look how much we already got through. I am going to finish all of these zigzags. But first, we are going to celebrate with some candy. That was good. Just that one bite for now. Let's keep going. Oops, I got some chocolate on my paper. Wherever the zigzag touches the line, draw a straight line down. Look at that, we got all of the pencil line done.
I'm so proud of you.
Time for another bite. That made me so happy, I want to draw a little bit extra. I'm going to decorate around the sides with some stars and some hearts, because boy, I love this candy. And some magic little sparkles. I am so excited to finish this now. Let's trace over the edges with some marker. We're not going to trace over the straight line, we're only tracing the zigzag.
We're crushing it! You are so awesome! Woohoo! Take it easy.
Oh, look at that! It's time to celebrate again. The next step is to erase the extra pencil lines.
Time to get serious and finish strong. That sounds boring. Let's finish with an explosion of awesomeness.
Now it's time to color it in. I think that's something to celebrate. When you think about it, there's always something to celebrate. Even on a terrible, horrible, very bad day, we can find something that's going well, something to be thankful for. I hope you're taking the time to think those happy thoughts and be proud of the hard work you've done here today.
Ooh, I love this part. Anything is possible.
I'm so thankful that you joined me for this lesson. There's more happy holidays coming soon, and I hope you'll join me for those art lessons too. And there it is. My favorite candy, a peanut butter cup.
Look at that! Great finish.
Those little celebrations along the way were fun and yummy. But the big reward is the art we created and all of the lessons we learned along the way. We did the hard work, and now we get the reward of the happy thoughts and good feelings that come with that accomplishment.
Thanks for drawing with us today. Keep practicing. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with a little hard work and a lot of happy thoughts.
Hey!
Or, okay, a lot of hard work and a little happy thoughts? Both equal. Okay. Bye.
See you next time. Keep smiling.
To get the Dreamkeepers book or schedule an author-illustrator visit to your school, check out my website, ahcreations.com.